Hey guys, I'm Chris Norwood and I'm on a journey to hear every song ever recorded. If that's something that interests you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Or if you like unboxing videos, I do a lot of those too. Most of them are music related, some are not. This one is YouTube related. So this is the Amazon Basics lightweight camera mount tripod stand with bag, 16.5-50 inches. It's Amazon's choice because it's Amazon's brand. Hoorah! Okay, we got the bubble wrap. We've got already popped bubble wrap and semi-popped bubble wrap. We've got a box within a box. Subscribe to me. Subscribe to me for all the best unboxing videos with a dirty kitchen in the background and a chihuahua sitting on the couch and a bunch of fancy language on the box. We were unboxed. Lightweight aluminum tripod, 50 inches, 127 centimeters, Amazon Basics. Okay, here we go, people. Comes in this nice little carrying case here. Wham, bam! Thank you, ma'am. Oh! Are you okay, buddy? I gently nudged my chihuahua with my foot. He's okay. A little bit scary there. Oh, we're unbagging. We got the bag. Ooh, that is a nice color. I like that. I didn't even realize it was going to be copper. Now we're going to unbag. Seems pretty legit. You guys like purple? Pretty standard. You got the level. This is going to help me in my YouTube career. This is hopefully going to be behind the scenes in the rest of my videos. I got, if you're interested, the video I'm going to be filming next. Whoa! If I can figure out how to use a tripod, it's going to be an early album review of the new Weezer record. Okay. Very good. Looks pretty cool. And like I said, if you guys want to see how this thing does, just watch all my videos from here on out. Yeah, so Amazon Basics. This thing it's a $17.49 deal. I got free shipping, of course, with Amazon Prime. I haven't used a tripod in a while. Okay. This is weird. Okay. That's adjustable. The legs are obviously adjustable. That's obviously adjustable. Oh yeah, I'm going to be filmmaking like a pro. Oh! Now, this is a unique situation for an unboxing video. We've got this, and guess what? The video camera is over there. Wait, where is my video camera? Have you guys seen my video camera? Do you guys see it in the video? Where could the video camera be? Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3, launch.